Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a quick and easy healthy carrot salad recipe ideal to include in your weight loss journey. So let's get started with the recipe. I'm using 4 medium-sized carrots in this recipe. So what I've done is I have sliced the carrots into thin ribbons. I used this slicer to slice the carrot into ribbons. So this is how I did. Once all the carrots are sliced into thin ribbons, keep it aside. For the salad dressing, into a bowl I am adding in 1 tablespoon wood-pressed sesame oil, 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, and make sure you are using the apple cider vinegar which has the mother. The mother is actually the gut-friendly good bacteria. I have already shared many detailed videos on the health benefits of using apple cider vinegar in your diet. Please do check it out. Links will be updated in the description box below this video. Half tablespoon coconut aminos, some freshly ground black pepper powder or as needed, 1 teaspoon roasted black sesame seeds. You can also use white sesame seeds instead, but make sure you have roasted the sesame seeds. I have some spiced wild honey. I'm adding in 1 teaspoon of the pepper spiced honey, 1 teaspoon sea salt or as needed, some fresh coriander leaves, a couple of sprigs of fresh mint leaves. I'm tearing the mint leaves and adding in so that the flavors are released. Squeeze in half a lemon and give this all a good mix. Add in the kept aside carrot. Mix it really well. Once nicely mixed, the carrot salad is ready to serve. I have some leftover salad dressing in the bowl. I'm drizzling the salad dressing over. Lastly, for some added crunch, I'm adding in a handful of roasted and salted peanuts. So guys, do try this healthy carrot salad and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.